So I thought I'd bring y'all out here to see there is a stray dog in my garden. What? I'm scared to go out here, y'all, because it looked like one of those like pit type dogs. I'm not sure.
Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you.
So I just left out of Lowe's and I got this huge bag, which is 2 cubic feet. I got 2 of those. They were $8 or $9, and I paid about $3.86 for them. And then I saw they had these little mini greenhouses, and I need to get some things out of my sunroom. So I thought I'd bring y'all out here to see there is a stray dog in my garden. What? Needless to say, this is very concerning for me. Um, I'm looking over there to see if it came back up while I'm talking to y'all. But anyway, I brought y'all in here to say I need to kick some things out of here because I'm just realizing I was getting ready to record earlier. I know that I planted some cabbage and collards. At least I thought I did. Or maybe I said I was going to plant them later and forgot to do it. I told y'all if I don't write it down, I will forget it. That's what I have to do today. That should have been done weeks ago. Last month, it should have been done. Here it is, one day before the end of February. I'm just dropping the seeds for collards and cabbage. It's going to grow them like in a sunny but shady area so that they'll hopefully do okay. Anyway, the broccoli, however, is what I want to kick out because I'm going to need that space now for sure. So I got to get this mini greenhouse together. I'm definitely going to have to carry something on me out there. Because my yard is not fenced in. Oh my gosh. Okay. So these are what I can't even think now, y'all. These are what my tomatoes are looking like. How I harden things off in here is I just open up the windows and let the breeze and the cool air come in. But since I have peppers in here still, and bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, etc., which they are seemingly doing pretty good in here as well. And I have cayenne that's still doing well also. These right here are, wait, this is cabbage, but yeah, okay, I don't have to plant it. Oh my God, y'all, I was losing it. I was losing my mind because I was like, well, these are broccoli. And I forgot that I switched the broccoli and the cabbage out for more sun or more light or something like that. So these are all cabbage, but I don't see collards in here anywhere. And then down here is broccoli. So I have to start my collard greens and some other things. So these are going to go outside, and these are going to go outside. So that'll free up some space for me. But I'm scared to go out here, y'all, because it looked like one of those like pit type dogs. I'm not sure. And y'all know my vision is off. I'm going to have to get my shovel. I got something else on me too, but I can't show it on camera. You know what I'm saying? So this is the mini house right here. It is 56 by 29 by 76 inch. It's by Miracle Grow. They had one put together inside of Lowe's, so it's a pretty decent size. So where I was thinking about putting it, that ground isn't level over inside of the garden, but because of that dog situation, I'm staying close to my house right now. This right here is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to sit it right here in this space, which I actually was going to put my Vigo garden probably right here if I don't plant something like I normally do. I'm watching my back out here. I gotta go feed the chickens, and then we gonna get started with putting this together. Now, I'm supposed to be out here digging in my garden and trying to get these weeds out. This is really messing with me right now because I can't hardly see as is. Everything's a little cloudy like for my vision. So seeing something walk up on me, I might not see it until it's too late. So y'all, I'm about to go and feed my chickens because they over there munching on whatever they can get out of the blue container. But I heard something like in the bushes. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I possibly can. I had already said to myself, girl, if that dog come out at you while you getting these eggs, you just gonna take these eggs and start busting that dog up with these eggs. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see to even put this together, which I really hope I can. I might put this together in the house so I can sit down. My back hurts. Yeah, let's go in the house and do this. Maybe I'll have a little more, I don't know. Maybe I can see better. This is the tarp piece that goes over it. I might have to see if I can find a video on how to put this thing together because I'm not going to be able to see these instructions. But it comes with the mini instructions, mini greenhouse instructions. Hopefully they're labeled. So the little posts are labeled in letters. Oh wow, there's 20 pieces of that one piece. And there's 22 pieces of that piece. Oh, it has the grates too that you can put your stuff on. So that's the base. Okay, so we're gonna try to use that. Do not try to put anything together when you have cataracts. This has been a headache beyond a headache, okay? So far I have like what I think is right is the base. Now I'm gonna put these right here, the threes, into these positions here. Okay, so this took me a long time, y'all. I wish I had time myself, but this took me a long time. So I'm about to take this outside and then we can get the top put on, because as it stands, if I put that top on, it's going to probably not fit out the door. So let me put my shoes back on. These are the things that, the racks that go in there that you sit your stuff on. It's light, y'all. I think I'm gonna use my garden staples to try to hold it down. That's why I'm gonna put it up against the wall, because it get real windy blowing that direction. So if it's sitting there, maybe it won't fall. I'll make sure the tree's down before you come back. But see, I need to put that together. That's a coop for my quail. I need to put that together. That's a Vigo garden bed. Y'all, if I struggle with this and seeing it was me seeing the parts that, see how this is hooked up here. I was afraid that's not going to make it out if I put that on. I don't want to have to take this thing back apart. Because if that's the case, the tree going to come down and my sunroom, my garden, whatever, is going to be here. It's pretty wide. My husband has a box on the back of his truck up under this, so it can kill those weeds right there, but this is where I'm gonna put it. The wind is blowing so much. I had to take the phone with me. So I honestly switched out from the little one, which is adjustable and I can use it as a handheld, to this one. It's a little more sturdier. Although the wind is kicking real bad, it still might blow over. To use these garden staples here. These are the really big ones. I don't think this will fall over, but the wind here is kind of strong, so.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing. Everyone judging me.
So parts of my video got cut out. What got cut out also was the fact that I had talked to my daughter after this happened, and she told me that when she was walking Gracie out and about, that, you know, she got startled because she heard something over in the ditch area. Gracie heard something, and of course Gracie was ready to run back in the house. And Gracie like, it's flight, okay? You gonna fight or flight, and I ain't fighting, so you better come on with me. So Gracie was ready to run in the house. So I'm thinking this dog has been around for a minute, but I have just seen it. I just saw this dog today, and I'm praying that, you know, the owner finds it or it finds its way out of this area, because I want to be able to be working in peace while I am doing my gardening, because I have to go back out there again tomorrow. But I wanted to let you guys know this dog has probably been watching for a while, because I noticed when I take Gracie out, she is very, I don't know, territorial when it comes to using the bathroom. Like, she normally would just go and come on back in the house, but she wants to walk around, she wants to sniff around, she wants to pee everywhere she could pee. But so I don't know what the deal is, but I told my daughter when she takes Gracie out, definitely just be careful. This is the last part. I really don't know what the camera got, because when I got over here, it was turned off. It turned off by itself. I don't know if a raindrop hit it, and, you know, these phones are so sensitive. But this is what it looks like. Take the phone off the tripod. It's a decent size. It is a decent size. I like it. And these here I zip tied to hold them up, because otherwise they wouldn't stay up. I have 3 on this side, 3 on the back for each of them. At the bottom, if you think about it, you can just put starts on the bottom. You don't need a rack for that. You got space here, like you could put your tomatoes up here. That way they have room to really, really grow before you put them out. And then you have this thing, the door. And that is the Lowe's Miracle Grow greenhouse. I paid $59 for it, but I've seen people buy them for $29. Maybe it was like at the season end or something. So that would, I would say, would be the best time to get one if you want to get one. And I'm sure y'all have a better experience with putting it together than I did. What the camera didn't pick up is the fact that I was telling y'all that there are a few things that are really bad for your homestead. And one of those is stray animals and definitely water. Those things are very dangerous to your homestead, to your livelihood, to your animals and yourself. So make sure that you're trying to take care of those things as quickly as possible. It's taking us a while because the price of things costs so much now, but we eventually will get it done. I did it. I did not quit, and I don't want y'all to quit either. I want y'all to get out there. I want y'all to grow your own food. Pick 1 to 5 things if you've never grown and grow those things. Learn about those things that you're growing. Know when to plant them, when to start to seed, where you can put them, what you can grow them in. And when I tell you can grow in anything, you can grow in anything. Now, if it's a root vegetable, of course, you're going to need more soil depth to grow those root vegetables, but you can pretty much grow in anything. So yeah, y'all, get motivated. Okay, I hope this motivates you, that me, myself, who can barely see, even with these glasses on, put this thing together. And I am so ready for this growing season, y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video. It was supposed to be me out here digging in the yard, but the dog made me rechange what I was gonna do. And I bought this today before I came home and even knew about that dog, somebody else's dog. I gotta go because I gotta take Gracie out and pray that dog is nowhere near, because Gracie's still a puppy. She's big, but she's still a puppy. And I mean, she's a year old, but she's still in puppy mode, okay? Every now and then she'll growl, but for the most part, she doesn't growl, she doesn't bark at, you know, nobody. She's a very friendly dog. She just looks are deceiving, okay? So, bye y'all. Hit that like button, definitely, if you got something from it, or if you enjoyed me fumbling over this, go ahead and hit that like button. It pushes the video out to more people. Your mental health, your, you know, like the birds, even though the chickens was freaking me out because they kept making me think somebody was over there. I enjoy being in the garden, and I hope that you plant and grow today. And if you like these boots right here, y'all, the links are in the description box for the high C boots. Bye. Bye. Okay, so I think I'm going to zip this back down in hopes that, now, did me time this yesterday? Okay. That nothing gets in there. And who knows, I may move this to the garden once it's fully enclosed. I'll be glad to see some stuff in there for real.
Hey, they not like us. The devil can't hold me, bro. I'm coming out the mud, coming out my sin, covered in his blood. I came a long way from being drunk off at the club, following my passion. Faith without works is dead, I'm about that action. I had a lot of anger, now I'm working on compassion. My body like a tree, it's the seeds we be planting in that intermittent fasting. His word is the water, swimming in it like an otter. Used to bottle up my problems, now I'm laying them on the altar. They not like us, we the doers, they the talkers. Feeling like Adam when I'm walking through the garden, surrounded by the temptations, being famous. I'm never gonna trade my soul for some Ben Franklins. The Holy Spirit came in and changed me, I can't explain it. What the devil tried to steal, the Lord came to reclaim it. God did. This the kind of flow to